Outdated equipment holds your operation back. Get current with Miller Syncrowave 300 and 400 TIG welding power sources. Old power sources can be difficult and time-consuming to set up. Get current. Syncrowave machines are simple to set up and have exclusive ProSet technology for one-touch parameter setting. Complicated power sources slow work down. Get current. Syncrowave machines are easy to use with an intuitive user interface, so more work gets done. Outdated machines consume more primary power, driving up costs. Get current. The Syncrowave 300 and 400 are up to 33% more energy efficient than old machines, improving your bottom line. With older, outdated machines, maintaining arc stability can be difficult, resulting in less productivity and higher costs. Get current. Syncrowave machines have a more stable arc and better arc starts, making it easier to get more work done. Old power sources are big and heavy. They get in the way, and they're hard to move. Get current with smaller, lighter Syncrowave machines that improve workplace conditions. It's time to get current with the Syncrowave 300 and 400. Only from Miller.